perfect bra can feel like a mystery. How do you know which one is actually right for you? Girls, let me tell you what is the best bra that you can use for your breast shape. How you can feel comfortable, sported and confident every day. Let's make bra shopping way easier. In this video, I am going to share these types of breast shapes. Number 1. If you have an east and west side breast shape, you need to use plunge bra and side sport bra to bring the breast back in shape, and it will give you the best spot. Number 2. If you have an asymmetrical breast, one up and the other down, if there is minor difference, you need to use t-shirt bra and balcony bra. But if there is a visible difference, you can use padded bras with removable pads. These bras allow the user to remove the padding from the larger side and keep it in the smaller side, helping to balance the appearance. Number 3. If you have a bell-shaped breast size, you need to use full cup or balcony bra. They will support your breast and they will bring it back to shape. Number 4. If you have an teardrop breast size, fuller at the bottom and slightly less fuller at the top, then you can use push-up bras for added lift or demi bras that enhance the natural shape. Number 5. If you have athletic breast, wider with more muscle and less breast tissue, then you can use bralettes or plunge bras for a comfortable fit without extra padding. Number 6. If you have round-shaped breast size, then any bras will look good on you because all the bras are manufactured based on your size. The last one, number 7, slender breast shape. These breasts can have a longer shape with nipples slightly downwards. In this situation, you can use push-up bras and balconette bras. They provide upward support and gives the illusion of fuller breast. You can also use t-shirt bra for a smooth and natural look. On the last note, I wanna give you some solutions. If you are not satisfied for your breast shape, then you can go for a surgical treatment or you can do daily exercise for enhance your breast shape. I hope this video helped you understand which bra is best for your shape. If you have any question, drop a comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye. Embrace your breast shape.